Okay. Now what do we need to do? We are okay. I got that part. Like we need to research, and after one day or 2 day or 5 day after, we need to take a decision, yes or no. And that's the part. Okay, well, that's no problem. Another now, what we need to do, like web maintenance, we are doing. That's a WordPress. I will ask you, like that's a WordPress websites, or that's a different other websites also.
Yeah, we will provide you the WordPress and different website also. And most of the website people build with WordPress or Shopify, or almost every website built with WordPress. Who build website with custom code? They are most of time
Mhm.
a big company. They have a personal maintenance team. They don't provide any third party or company to maintain their website. You got my idea?
Yeah, I got it. There's small shop and there's small restaurant. They
A
have
small and
maybe.
medium type shop or company. Big company always build the custom website, and when they build custom website, they have personal team to maintain their website. They don't provide any third party in the most time. So we don't say specific that we only provide the maintenance WordPress website. We'll provide any website maintenance service in our website. That we provide maintenance service. That is not any issue which type website they have. It's WordPress, it's Joomla or Build Wix or Squarespace or Shopify, any CMS or any custom. We have no problem. We can provide the service.
Okay, we understand like the small restaurants or small that so they have their own like maybe they have their WordPress or they have there's not WordPress. I think there's a WooCommerce. I think they're giving. There's another Vax is another website is giving like a website to providing to website the people to make a website. How can we then understand like for example if we are seeing our client's website, how can we find out this WordPress?
Yeah,
I know about Shopify. I about
yeah,
Shopify.
it's
I not seen it.
easy. It's easy. There have a lot of simple things that we can find which type code they use. Does it build with a WordPress or any other CMS, or how they build it, or what type language they use to build their website. It's no any problem. It's so easy.
Okay.
You can learn it from me very easily. So simple.
Okay, I got it that part. Now, how about like I discuss with you? I say like okay, before we go into I first at least I need to learn some things, and we go ahead and we're to understand. And okay, I also start my I will be start my research about the web. That's